people and welcome back. I'm Rishita and in today's video I would be sharing 10 must adopt skincare habits so that you could make your skin look healthier, younger and natural just at home. So without losing any minute, let's just get into the video. One of the most important ways to take care of your skin is to protect it from sun. Exposure to sun can cause you wrinkles, dark spots, and you have to use and rely on anti-aging creams for your lifelong. So to avoid all these things, you should protect your skin from sun. You can always refer to a broad spectrum sunscreen, for example, at least of 30 SPF, so that you could just be protected from the rays of sun. And also I would suggest that wear all those clothes which would protect you from sun, because these rays are very harmful and it may cause you skin cancer as well. So take care of it and always cover your skin. We really need to make little changes in our habits so that we could witness a huge change. I am talking about taking a gentle care of your skin. So beginning up with bathing, I would suggest that you should always rely on shorter baths and always use warm water for bathing instead of hot water. Generally, hot water and longer baths extract all the natural oils from our body and makes it appear very dry and rashy. So to avoid all these things, you should always rely on shorter baths and warm water. Moving on, I would suggest that you should always use mild cleansers for your body instead of going on strong soaps, because they may cause you rashes, itching and so many other problems. They may also cause you breakouts over your face. So try avoiding all these things and always prefer a mild cleanser for your body wash. Moving on, you should always pat dry your face so that the moisture lasts long and it couldn't be just wiped out onto your towel. So keeping these things in mind, you should always prefer pat drying your face instead of rubbing it with a towel. And the most important part of your skincare routine is moisturizing your skin. Just like we need food for our survival, our skin needs moistures and lotions to protect it from all the damages that are being caused by pollution or when we are moving out and whenever we are applying lots of makeup on our face. So to protect your skin from all these things, we need to moisturize it really well. Moisturizing is one of the best ways to protect your skin from all the harmful things that you are going into or getting into. You should always moisturize your skin 2 times in a day, once after you are getting bath and the second before you go to the bed. These are the best times that you could apply moisturizer so that your body could absorb them up to its best level. Now comes the most vital source for our skincare routine, that is eating a healthy diet. You should always take those diets which have plenty of fruits, vitamins, minerals, vegetables and cereals and lean proteins so that you could get a beautiful and glowing skin throughout. And don't ever avoid drinking water. You should at least drink 8 glasses of water a day, because less water means less radiance. So try avoiding all these things and have a very healthy diet. You should also take foods which are highly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, because they have the ability to hold on into moisture. So it is very important for you to include omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. Now this tip is very important, and it's especially for teenagers who are out there and suffering from acne problems and breakouts over their face. So try avoiding touching your face, because whenever you touch your face, you always leave some of the bacteria onto your face, which leads to lots of breakouts, acne and lot more. So guys, it's my suggestion, do not touch your face and try to keep it hydrated naturally by drinking lots of water. Also, try to avoid using too many products onto your skin, because your skin is very sensitive, and if you are exposing your skin to lots of products that aren't good for your skin and you're just experimenting them for your try, don't do that. Your skin is not a joke. So you really need to pay attention to what type of your skin is. So it's my request that you should not actually rely on so many products and just get a limited bulky skincare routine that would help you. And I would also say that try avoiding all the artificial things over your face and always use the best quality products. Though there are some products which are high in price, but these products are really effective. So I would suggest you that you should always use minimal products. You know, less is always more. So try avoiding using lots and lots of makeup products and other skincare products. Always limit your things and try to bring the best from that. Simplify your skincare routine. I'm talking about finding the right moisturizer and face cream for your body, and you should always rely on them and make that a regular part of your skincare routine. The most important step for your skincare routine should be taking a good sleep. At least you should sleep 7 to 9 hours a day, because if you're not taking an optimum sleep, you're losing your natural glow and it will always lead you to inflammation, breakouts, acne and so more. So it's very important that you give proper rest to yourself and your skin, because your skin uses your sleep hours for repairing it from the damages that are being caused in the entire day. So it's very important that you give proper rest to your body and make your skin appear very natural and glowing. At last, I just want to say that consistency is the key to achieve any goal. If you are very serious and you really want to notice some changes over your face, then try to implement all these habits into your life and make it a daily routine so that you could get better results. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it was very informative and knowledgeable for you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye, see you in the next video.